The Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya unit has urged upon the state government to remove the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, alleging failure to contain the recent rise in crimes against children. In a statement on Monday, Bjp General Secretary Wankit Bokposhna expressed concern over the growing number of such cases and criticized the district administration for its lack of effective action. He said district officials must perform their duties responsibly and without external pressure, adding that those unable to manage administrative affairs should be replaced with more capable officers. Poshna pointed to lapses such as inadequate policing, lack of regular patrolling and poor night surveillance, calling for stronger safety measures through round-the-clock monitoring, deployment of village defense parties and involvement of local volunteers. He also accused the administration of focusing on events like the Cherry Blossom Festival while neglecting issues such as alcohol consumption and drug abuse. The BJP leader urged upon the state government to seek assistance from the Union Home Ministry and experts to address the root causes of growing crimes.
Express our deep concern to whatever has been happening in the state in the past 1 month, especially in our East Khasi Hills district, where we have seen that the district in particular has been gripped by horror and grief following the two brutal crimes against children that have shaken the conscience of the entire state. As we have seen that in September, the lifeless body of 4-year-old in Sapira Lingdo Maunai was discovered at an under construction site in Nora a day after she went missing. Just weeks later, the body of 7-year-old Krishanbor Kharmudai was found in a forested area near Maupat, confirming yet another case of homicide. If you look at these back-to-back tragedies, have sparked outrage and fear amongst the residents of the state as a whole, and in particular of our district, East Khasi Hills district, raising serious questions about the district's administration's ability to ensure public safety, especially for its most vulnerable. In the light of these devastating failures, there is an urgent call for the government to take decisive action, beginning with our demand from the party, the removal of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, whose leadership has come under intense scrutiny. The people demand accountability, justice, and immediate reforms to prevent further loss of innocent lives.